Welcome back, gamers! Today, we have something truly extraordinary to unveil. Get ready to witness the pinnacle of gaming performance and sleek design. Introducing the Razer Blade 14 Gaming Laptop. Feast your eyes on this powerhouse. The Razer Blade 14 is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX 8-core processor, providing unparalleled processing power to handle even the most demanding games and applications. But that's not all. This gaming beast is armed with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card. Prepare to be blown away by the lifelike visuals and stunning realism it delivers, taking your gaming experience to a whole new level. The Razer Blade 14 features a 14-inch QHD display with a mind-boggling 165 Hz refresh rate. Say goodbye to motion blur and lag as you immerse yourself in buttery smooth gameplay and razor-sharp visuals. Crafted with precision, the Razer Blade 14 boasts a CNC aluminum chassis, giving it a premium look and robust durability. It's not just a gaming laptop, it's a statement piece. And we can't forget about the iconic Razer Chroma RGB lighting. Customize your gaming setup with over 16.8 million colors and a range of stunning effects. Take personalization to the next level and make your laptop truly your own. Immerse yourself in a world of exceptional sound with THX Spatial Audio. Experience every footstep, explosion, and whisper with incredible clarity and precision, bringing your games to life like never before. We all know how intense gaming can get, but worry not. The Razer Blade 14 is equipped with a state-of-the-art vapor chamber cooling system. Stay cool under pressure and maintain peak performance even during those marathon gaming sessions. So, whether you're a casual gamer, a content creator, or a professional sports player, the Razer Blade 14 is the ultimate gaming companion. Unleash your true gaming potential and elevate your skills to new heights with this extraordinary piece of technology. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, stay gaming and stay razor sharp.